In the beginning, we were one. Before there were labels, laws, or lines on a map, we were just people, sharing the same world, the same hopes, the same need to belong. Over time, we created words to organize our world: race, religion, law, nation, party. These words helped us build societies, but they also built walls between us. We wrote acts, actions in books, acts in law. Some were meant to unite, others to divide. Every act, whether in a holy book or a government law, is just a choice, to bring out the good or the bad in us. Too often we get distracted by the noise, arguing over who wrote the law, what color someone is, which party is right, whose religion is true. We forget to ask the real question: is what we're doing bringing out the good or the bad in us? It's not about the label, the color, the party, or the religion. What matters is the impact of our actions. Do they unite us, or do they drive us apart? That's the real measure of who we are. And at the end of the day, no matter how it started or how it ends, in the beginning we were one. That's destiny, that's the final piece of it all. Join the digital march for unity and change. We are many, but together we are one. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and show your support for the channel.